If you are somebody who's very craft oriented, what do you see when you look at this tote? Just looks like a regular tote, right? Nothing special about it. It's got the lid that comes with it. Nothing special, right? Well, my wife has a treasure hunt for our grandkids every year, and she went online looking for a wooden box. Would you believe that they wanted $60+ for a wooden box? So, using her ingenuity, she decided to create her own. So if you're into do-it-yourself crafts and things of that nature, and maybe you don't want to use this for a treasure hunt, but you want to have a theme in a certain room in your house, and you want the totes to kind of match the theme so they don't look like just a bunch of plastic totes sitting around, check this out. And this right here is the finished result. She has yet to put the contact paper on the handles so it actually looks like a wooden chest. But the plan is to put gifts for the kids and hide them all around the property and let them run around like they're finding treasure. But again, tell me that doesn't look like a wooden box. Takes a little bit of effort. Again, we were able to find the contact paper on Amazon. I will link it down below. But this is just one example of what you can do. And here's several that she has that she's getting ready. This one also has the lid. And again, I'm just going to show you real briefly. Here you have the contact paper. And these are all your strips so you can line the box itself. These are for the side panels and whatnot. So seriously, if this is something that you think catches your attention, super easy to do. You just need a level, something so you can cut straight lines. Something like this so you can actually mark, cut a perfectly straight line or just to measure with. I'll make sure I link these down below. Seriously, if you're creative, just think about it. Right now, you could have these boxes in a room. Say you have a room that has a wood theme in your house. Some people like wood and things of that nature. These would fit perfectly for storage bins in that room.